What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with a brand new spray out for Easter. Now, every Easter egg, as we're going to be doing with this fender, needs multiple colors. I've got a yellow Rustoleum, a magenta Rustoleum, and a key lime green Rustoleum from a previous project. So we're going to decorate this egg first, and then we're going to throw a nice pearl over top of it to really give it that Easter effect. And in order to do that, we're using a brand new pearl, an interference violet pearl. So we're going to get the spray in the Rustoleum on this, and let's jump into our Easter spray out. Alright guys, so I've got my wife here helping me today with this. Show them what you got, sweetie. This is a violet interference pearl. Now this is a little bit different than the solid pearls you see me using, guys. This is what they call a white particle pearl, which means it's kind of a translucent color. It goes over the colors, and it's one of those shinings you really only see when the light hits it real good. Unlike a solid pearl where it's more like a really fine flake. But as far as ounces on this, we have used the budget clear today, so don't recommend going full scale. If you want to get good clear, my Amazon link are in the description as seen on YouTube, and you can buy anything you see me use, guns, clear, pearls, you can buy it there. So, and I do get a small kickback, but it costs you guys nothing extra, and it helps support the channel, so I appreciate it. We got about 4 ounces of clear. This mixes 5 ounces of clear because it mixes 4 to 1. So 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener, and I think we got, was a 10 gram says. So we're gonna put about, I don't know, about 3 grams in there, and we'll mix it up and show you what it looks like. So right away you can see, even before it starts dissipating, that it had a little bit of purple to it, and as she's mixing it, when the light hits it just right, you can see a purple sheen to it, but primarily it's just white in the mix. And that's kind of the way it goes on, guys. It kind of goes on transparent, and you don't really see it until the light hits it. But anyways, we're gonna get this gun loaded up. We're gonna spray this over the fender, and let's see how we can make this egg look. Alright guys, so we mixed up 3 grams of the violet interference pearl, and we're going to shoot it on. Now you want to tack it on first, and we are shooting through the VVOR gun today. It's a 1.4 tip, and we typically shoot for 28 PSI. That is wide open trigger on the regulator if you decide you want to replicate our settings. But anyways, she's going to go ahead and lay down the first tack coat, and then we'll finish it up, take it outside, and see what she looks like in the sun. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is a spray out today. What do you think, sweetie?
I think it turned out great.
I think it turned out pretty cool. The magenta, the key lime green, and the yellow. It's a cool little fade. Looks like an Easter egg. And happy Easter, by the way. And of course, the ghost pearl over top, that violet, when the sun hits it, really gives it a cool color manipulation. And then when you see it in the shade, it almost disappears completely, which is the cool trick and one thing I like about the ghost / interference pearls. But we had a lot of fun today, guys. And I hope if you've made it this far, you will consider hitting that subscribe button. Drop us a like, leave us a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's video. Did you like this spray out? Rate it 1 through 5. 1, not so much. 5, you loved it. And I appreciate it, guys. Also, if you want to buy any of the products you saw today, any of the paints, the pearls, the gun, anything, Amazon links in the description. As seen on YouTube, just click on that. You can buy it. Like I said, we do get a small kickback. It goes to help the channel, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you have the benefits of Prime and everything else that Amazon offers. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you continue to watch the next video. And we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers now, guys. And when we hit 5,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing another giveaway. Going to give away paint guns, going to give away pearls, all kinds of stuff. So you're not going to miss that. And the only thing you have to do to be entered is be subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. This is my wife, Nora. We hope you have a great day. A happy Easter. God bless, and we'll see you guys on the next video.